I am capricious. I'm vengeful.
Yeah.
If someone rubs me the wrong
Yeah.
way, I think, and I'm the woman of today. So I know how to stand my ground. For Mahadev and Sons, I've been manifesting to work with Saurabh Tiwari for a very long time. We worked briefly in 2012, and 13 years later, I'm working with him. It's very different in today's times for an actor like me who's been in the industry for 30 years and in the age bracket of 45 years old to be presented in a way that it is being done today.
Well, my guest today is somebody who's extremely special because each time she comes with a new project, we know she will have something brand new to offer. And this time it's no different because she's come up with this brand new show called Mahadev and Sons. And today, Mansi Salvi joins me for a fresh new conversation only on FPJ Showbiz. Hi, Mansi. Welcome to FPJ. Thank you so much for doing this.
Of course,
You are always welcome at FPJ.
FPJ is home.
That's so
So
sweet of
thank you for having me today.
You're most welcome. I always like to watch a little bit of the show before I interview somebody because I just want to see how different they are from how they are in real life. Oh my god, your character. I got scared a little, but she is fiery. She's so strong headed. Yes. And I feel you have been in this industry for 30 years,
Yes.
and I see that same fire in you. How similar or how different are you from her?
Well, to put it perfectly candid, I would say that I am Bhanu, but of course I belong to Mumbai,
Yeah.
so my probably my mannerisms could be different. But I am capricious. I'm vengeful.
Yeah.
If someone rubs me the wrong
Yeah.
way, I think, and I'm the woman of today, so I know how to stand my ground. So I'm most like Bhanu.
Wow. One of the most important things for any actor would be the way they select their projects because my intro said that each time you do something, we know it will be different from what you've done before. How do you manage to balance that?
Well, I would say that for Mahadev and Sons, I've been manifesting to work with Saurabh Tiwari for a very long time. We worked briefly in 2012, and 13 years later, I'm working with him. So I think when I got a call from his company, Parin Multimedia, there was no way I was saying no. And he sent me, his office sent me the first episode.
Yeah.
And it's very different in today's times for an actor like me who's been in the industry for 30 years and in the age bracket of 45 years old to be presented in a way that it is being done today. So there was no looking back. It's a story of two sisters. Of course, television largely has been a content about women,
Yeah.
but most times we pit women against each other. But here it's a different scenario
Yeah.
where Mahadev and Bhanu are at loggerheads, and she loves her sister dearly. But somewhere Mahadev creates that animosity between her and the sister. So it was different. The flavor was different. Mostly, I've done characters which are urban in nature,
Yeah.
but this story comes from Hardoi, which is in Uttar Pradesh, and adapting to the language, the dialect, certain words. I mean, I do not often use the word kutta in my conversation or londa and
Yeah.
londia. So I think that is different.
Yeah.
If you see in the first episode, I'm kicking someone.
Yeah.
There is action in coming episodes. So all this is very new for me.
Yeah.
But what I like is as an actor, I can live my fantasy.
Absolutely.
And I think I'm living my fantasy through Bhanu. Hi, my name is Mansi Salvi, and you're watching me on FPJ Showbiz.